Hi everyone! So while I'm out today, you are going to be starting on a little bit of a mini project that I have for you. You're going to be creating a menu for a restaurant, and each of the items, as well as your restaurant name, has to contain alliteration. So I'm going to go over the directions, show you how to share things with your partners, and then you should be ready to go. So you will need to have three choices for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and two choices for appetizers. So your menu should have a total of 11 items. All of your items must contain disgusting examples of alliteration. So you're making a gross menu. You want to make things like slimy snake soup and things like that. Anything that you can think of that's gross and that contains alliteration, you can put on your menu. Each of your menu items needs to have a description that uses alliteration. You can repeat what you've put in the item name, or you can add new stuff to describe how the food might taste, what it might look like, things like that. You need to come up with a name for your restaurant, and that also has to contain alliteration. And you need to have at least one image per fold. This excludes the back where you put your names, and I'm going to show you the document that has the menu on it. So we'll go to the menu first. This is what it looks like. There is 2 pages. I gave you some pretty specific outlines. So here in this column, you'll put the appetizers. You can format it however you want. I would take out this part right here when you feel like you're done. This part should be your restaurant name. Are your names. That should be your names on the back so you can put your name and your class period. This is the back of the brochure. This side right here is the front of the brochure, so you need to have your restaurant name with alliteration and a picture. And then here we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, your 3 items and the picture that you need. Next, I want to go over some tips and tricks that I have for you. So, because you're going to be working on this in partners, one partner will need to share the document with the other in order for you guys to work on it together. So this is what you do. I've put the steps in the video and I've also put it in the document. If I was going to share it with somebody, I would click share. And in here, I would type in an email address. So I'm going to use Big A as an example here. Let's see if I can find him. There you are. Eden at it. There you are. So I want to share with Aiden, and I want Aiden to be able to edit. If I send it to Aiden, he will get it. Now, I know that it says that there's an email, but if you go over to your Google Drive, which is drive.google.com, and if you're the person that is being shared with, click on incoming here. All the things that have been shared with me, all the stuff that you guys have sent me is in my incoming. So the alliteration menu should be right in your incoming box. Okay. Next, you can use a thesaurus to help you find words that create alliteration. Here's how you find the thesaurus. Add-ons, thesaurus. And you want to find synonyms for your selected word. Add images to your menu by going to insert here. Then we have image and search. I am going to Google search for pasta. So now any of these pictures I can click on and select, and I will be able to put it into my menu. Now if you're having a hard time with the picture messing up your text like this here, you can click on the picture and it will say wrap text right where I'm pointing. That will help you move the picture around so that it doesn't mess up your text lines. And lastly, if you want to change your font, you can go here. You can pick any of the ones that you have set up, or you can go into more fonts, and there's tons and tons and tons for you to choose from. So, you are creating a menu today. you're going to have more time to work on this. You need 11 items. Let's get on to your partners. Here we go. So, Aaliyah and Mackenzie, you were working together. Cynthia and Faze, Aiden and Joe, Jalen and Miracle, Alyssa and Riley, Kiara and Brendan, Abby and Manuela, Sage and Ben, Aiden and Dooku, and then Maisha, Abby, and Ira. I randomly generated this so there's no exceptions. If somebody is absent, I would like the person to just start on their own and we'll catch the person up when they come back. All right, have a great day. Bye.